Okay, up to now my best 1.25 eyepiece 40mm one was this Ostara, or it's known also as Orbino. But now tonight I found that this Vixen NVL40 is better than that, simply because across all the field, from the corner to corner, you don't see any seagull effects, any coma, any aberration. Stars remain pinpoint. With this one, no. And now I'm going to use the Vixen 40mm just to see how it is. Now I'm looking through the TeleVue 40mm Plossl, and image is much brighter than this Vixen. Seagulling is almost non-existent. With this one you see something. With this probably around 2-3%, 5% to the edge you see some seagulling, or when you're near the edge in lower or upper part. So if I want to say which one is the best, I compare this Ostara third, Vixen second, and TeleVue first. I'm not surprised why people buy TeleVue. It's really good view. It's one of the better eyepieces, or best eyepiece. And the surprising thing is that when I change the filter wheel from one filter to another, the image stays with the TeleVue in focus. With other ones you have to adjust it again, but with this one it stays in focus. It's strange. Probably from now on I will just save money and get only TeleVue for my eyepiece. That's good quality. That's even not the best of them. It's a Plossl. Okay, I'm using the hydrogen alpha filter. It's a broadband hydrogen alpha filter. Practically with this filter you cannot see anything. It's not built for visual use. It's written on it is not for visual use, for CCD, and yeah, that's true. I may change it for something else, but probably in the daylight I can use it. I don't know. I've read that people say that they cannot see any of the prominences or those kind of granules on the surface of the sun. In this broadband hydrogen alpha you need a narrow band, but anyway, I may give it a go later. Of course I have to use the solar filter in front of the aperture opening, then with the filter try to see what I can see. I have probably 5 or 6 40mm eyepieces in the range of 1.25, which is this one, and this TeleVue is brighter, more contrasty. You can see more. The stars are better shaped, round, and I'm really pleased with this. I have a 15mm TeleVue, and I would just want to see how it compares with others that I have. Anyway, I will just give it a go. But this is the best eyepiece I've in the range of 40mm. I will just save now. From now on, just don't buy any other eyepiece and get TeleVue only. TeleVue 1.25 inch 40mm Plossl is sharp. It is really sharp. It's probably the sharpest images I've seen in any eyepiece. And this Maxvision 40mm 2-inch barrel eyepiece is even sharper than that. That is amazing. That's better than this. Of course, I don't know in the 2-inch barrel how the TeleVue will do, Panoptic or Ethos or others that I don't have them. So, but this is good, better than this. Can be because it has a larger aperture, light gathering power. I wish one day I will try one of these 2-barrel TeleVue ones. Okay, when I'm using the TeleVue 40mm Plossl, I can say that instead of trying to see, I start to observe. I can see a lot more. Few eyepieces can give me that view and that impression. TeleVue is one of those ones.